everyone. Welcome to the Digital Tutors. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a landing page in Canva. Whether you're prompting a product, capturing leads, or sharing special offer, landing pages are super important in online marketing. And guess what? You don't need to write complicated codes to create one in Canva. I'll take you step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have your own landing page up and running. What exactly is landing page? In simple terms, a landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing campaign. It's where your visitors land after they click on a link from an ad, email, or social media post. The main goal of the landing page is usually to get visitors to take action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a freebie, or making a purchase. Alright, now first let's design a landing page for our animation course. Our landing page will be all about convincing viewers to enroll in our course. Choose website option on Canva's homepage. Go to templates. Canva has loads of ready-made templates for you to choose from. So don't worry if you're not a designer. I am choosing a template with bold headline space, some section for text, and a clear call to action button. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We are going to customize it. You can change everything in the template from colors to fonts to image. Once you have your template, it's time to make it yours. Let's start by changing the main headline to grab attention. I'll update the headline to Mastering 2D Animation in Adobe Animate. Then I'll add a subheading. This gives a quick overview of the course and builds credibility. Next, let's swap out the images with our course visuals. I will add some frames here and upload some images representing the key topics. Remember, visuals should be engaging but not overwhelming. Add your logo. Now we'll add some text section to highlight the benefits of our course. Let's create 3 short bullet points. Easy to follow tutorials for all skill levels, lifetime access with regular updates, 100% cashback guarantee if not satisfied. This section should quickly communicate what makes the course valuable. Now let's add the most important part, the call to action button. Head over to the Elements tab, type in button and pick one that stands out. I'll place it right below our main text and set the button text to Enroll Now. Right-click, then select Link. I'll paste the course checkout URL here, so when someone clicks, they go straight to the course page. You can link to anything like a Google form, PayPal, your website, YouTube video, or any custom URL. Now let's see how to publish landing page. But before we publish, let's preview our landing page. Click Preview button at the top right corner. Canva gives you the option to view your designs on both desktop and mobile. Make sure everything looks great and adjust if needed. To publish, click the Publish Website button at the top. You'll see here Resize on mobile. Keep it checked. Then write website URL here. Canva gives you free domain, quick and easy. But you want to use your own domain or use your brand name domain, then click Use a custom domain. You have 2 options. Number 1, you can connect your domain from third party. Select and click Continue. Enter your domain name and follow steps. Number 2, you can claim your free domain name. Select and click Continue. Enter your domain name and click Claim Free Domain. In Publish setting, you can change Browser tab Preview, add Description. Protect your web page with password, enable search engine visibility, and choose how your link will appear when shared on social platform. Once you've done it, hit Publish Website and that's it. Our landing page is live and ready. But don't stop here. In the next tutorial, I'll teach you how to create multi-page website in Canva. We'll add about pages, contact sections, and much more. And here's the bonus tip. If you want to delete or edit your domain, go to Settings, then click on Domains. Here, you can either remove the domain or change its name by clicking on Edit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to create your own landing page in Canva. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating.